time she goes away.
Yeah. Back for another snowstorm swell chase. It is 7:20 at night. I forgot to open my windshield wipers, but yeah, I am actually at the hospital right now and I am going home. And yeah, the snow is coming down. This all happened from the walk from my car to my bags right here. Good morning, young Groms. It is 7:06 in the morning. We are at North Shore University Hospital resident housing, and it's an absolute blizzard outside. Emerson is in Brooklyn, and he's been on the train platform waiting to get a train, but they've all been canceled. So I'm gonna drive to Brooklyn right now, pick him up, and we're gonna try to head out east afterwards. We were gonna surf tomorrow morning together, and we cannot leave any man behind. So I'm gonna drive right now to Brooklyn and see how it goes. What's up, bro? Can we get a weather report?
It's coming down. Light, fluffy, powdery stuff. They're not bad. I just want to get gas.
Oh, really? They're okay? All right.
You going surfing?
Making the start of the adventure. Got to gear up for the ride with some snack. My claim, if we're being real, we should be staying local to surf, firing local breaks, Rockaway, Lido, New Jersey even. But we're going on a mission to use the gun. I'm probably gonna get some good footage, and who knows, maybe I'll get a wave.
We are headed out right now, and we're slowly making our way out. It is 11:40 a.m. The travel ban has lifted, and it is now just a winter advisory effect. So we're in the 99 Ford Ranger, and there could be the biggest east-northeast swell of our lifetimes right now. It's a big risk. I don't know if there'll be waves. There's much safer options at like more local spots to where we normally surf, but we're headed to a spot that could just be epic, giant, and barreling. So on this channel, we always take the risk every Sunday. Stay tuned. We're gonna be coming at you guys with some epic content. Into the winter wonderland. As you can tell, I'm going to be riding my 6'5" Isurus, the warmest wetsuit anyone can buy. We're super fired up. I don't even know if there's going to be waves, but look at this. This is absolutely epic. This is what we live for here on the East Coast, and it's going to be snowstorm round 2. We will see you out there. Let's go.
Well, we can't see the water, so we're gonna have to walk up to the shoreline to actually check. Pretty windy. Gusts of, what would you say, 45?
Yeah.
45 miles per hour.
We are out here. It's unplowed, so we're trekking to the spot right now. How you feeling?
I'm feeling a little bit pessimistic, but it's a winter wonderland, so I'm having a good time.
Yeah, we already got some cool shots. We're in like someone's track right now, and we'll see how it goes. My hand's about to fall off vlogging this, but we are in deep snow right now, and the waves pumping. This is gonna be like probably one of the most dangerous, sketchy sessions of my life, but we gotta do it. This is literally what I dream of. Waves, the wind are absolutely firing. We are cold, and I am definitely scared to surf alone in these crazy conditions, but we gotta do it. This is what I absolutely dream of. We're going off. This isn't even really the main peak, but we're gonna go back as soon suit up, 6mm wetsuit, and we're gonna surf. It is the middle of the winter storm, and that is pretty much the best time to test some Solite mittens and gloves. We have a pair of Solite booties here. Got my boy Uville on the cover.
No way.
And we also have a brand new pair of 6'5" split mitts. So we're super stoked. Thank you Solite. On this channel, we bring you guys the most original, real content, and it doesn't get any realer than paddling out in a blizzard in a brand new pair of Solite mittens. The buoys are 15 feet at 10 seconds. It's absolutely pumping. I'm a little scared, not gonna lie, but no matter what, we're gonna have a good time. Let's go out there and rip it up. We're about to paddle out. This is what I absolutely live for. There's no one in the water.
Go, Lucas. Come on, baby. Sheesh! Damn, that is hairy looking. Alright, this is the one. Come on. Tricky one.
That was brutal out there. So windy. I'm so tired. I'm not even that tired. I'm not even that cold. Just pretty brutal conditions. We just got out of a absolutely humbling session, but these 6'4" Solites kept me super warm. My body feels great, but yeah, the wind was just coming from the wrong angle, and the seas were just way too strong. So we got humbled today, but the gear is absolutely awesome. Stick with us because we might score tomorrow. All right, young rounds. Our evenings have escalated. We surfed, and I've been in the wetsuit now for like 30 minutes. We had to run down a road to get this thing.
You've been in the wetsuit for like 3 hours,
Yeah.
didn't you?
Well, I've been out of the wetsuit for like, or out of the water freezing. Oh, we finally hit the ground. Yeah, we are staying at my grandma's house here, but there's like literally 4 feet of snow.
Rocking no gloves out here in like 30-degree weather.
Yeah, I'm literally gonna get sick from this, but this is the scenarios you find yourself in chasing swell. Just hope we don't get skunked tomorrow.
This is my Norwegian Bible. I dropped it, and look what I did.
Oh no.
I told your mom. So sad.
That's a good workout, lifting that up and down every day.
I do go to the gym, you know.
Yeah.
I went 3 times this week, last week. But I can't go now because of the weather.
All right, good morning, young Groms. We are faced with challenges today. I got my zipper broken yesterday or this morning when I was getting into my wetsuit. It's kind of a disaster. I'm gonna be freezing cold. But yeah, there's that beautiful sunrise right now. I'm gonna go buy some duct tape, and I think the waves are cranking. We are overcoming adversity right now. Pop my float suit on, keep this thing down. I'm gonna look like such a kook out there, but that was kind of guaranteed whether I was doing something like this or not. It's saving this wetsuit. Literally, I'm so hyped. So cold, but it's like the swell direction we literally dream of. I'm also so glad that I put these track tops on the board because they're so good for like these icy mornings. We are improvising in this kind of weird wetsuit setup I got, but I'm riding the 6'6" Arc surfboards, which are super hyper surfboards. Waves have kind of dropped down, but it's super clean, and I think if we wait, we'll get a really good one. Let's ride.
guy was like, I was filming, and this guy was like, oh, are you? Oh.
Nice. Oh, this one's looking great. Yeah.
Woo! Woo! Dude, you're shredding.
Yeah, boys.
You're tearing it up.
Thank you. Trying.
That second to last, or the right a couple ones ago, like the one where you went into the super shallow.
Yeah.
And then you kind of did a mini air on the top of it.
Yeah.
You were shredding.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, this board is working like butter out there.
Dude, it was looking sick.
Hell yeah. Dude, this is the session I've been like searching for this whole time. I feel like so hyped.
My feet got warmer, but now my body's like shivering.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm good. I just came to warm my feet a little bit too on the rocks.
Need to figure out
I think he's debating it in his mind. Not coming in.
Kind of going to war out there. We were battling. There was priority and everything.
Pretty epic, just getting it, the two of us, one other friend for a little bit, but this is what we dream of. Lucas pushed me to come back out there for a second part of the session, came back in, warmed up, went back out, got some more pretty good ones.
Yeah, it was like mechanical. It was pretty much just like
mechanical
these like pipes breaking down, super fun turns.
Had fun using this board. I've only surfed this board like 4 times. It was a pretty good day for it.
Yeah, you were ripping. You got a lot better.
We'll see.
Since we first started surfing. But yeah, this thing's epic. We're riding a 6.6 our surfboards. Been really like trying to hit the lip. I'm still on a journey to get there and like really do a nice off the top. I think I was like turning too early or not looking back at the lip enough today, but you know, it's progress and we'll get there eventually. Dude, you were cutting. You were like flying with a ton of speed, doing turns.
I had fun. We had fun out there. That's all that matters.
I think speed is everything.
Just
if
like
you're going fast.
Getting speed, using the wave, getting up high on the wave. That's what it's all about.
You go fast, you'll have fun, and you'll surf better, I think, with speed.
Yeah, I agree. got Lucas rocking the wetsuit and snowboard boots at the same time.
All right, guys, we might not be the most core channel, but you can't say that we don't work hard. We're going straight from the surf session into a snowboard session, and we're not even checking, we're just going for it. I'm shivering and quite cold. Let's see how this goes. Session was a little uneventful, but we surfed and snowboarded in one day, and that's good enough for me. So I am loving life in a 6 mil right now, and we're just having the best time.
Was the photographer there and everything?
Yeah, he came through. We got some great videos.
Is it going to be a movie?
There's going to be a movie.
Oh,
yeah.
Well, your dad was so excited that you're here.
Yeah?
I called your mom and I told
she's
her all
here.
the news. And she said, how do you like Emerson? I said, well, I think he's even better than my grandson.
Wow, that's a big compliment.
That's what they say.
Oh my goodness.
Anyway, and I taught myself how to send a picture.
Nice.
So I've been
Did you send a picture of the snow?
Yeah, but you know what? I did it, and I thought, no, how do you do this again? I sort of forgot.
Previous day was kind of crazy, but today I think we scored. We just got really fun waves. It was absolutely epic.
Pretty tired, pretty exhausted. We got what we came for. Going home happy. Until next time, we'll see you on the next swell.